The toggle toolbox allows you to turn on and off different entities in the grid space and allows you to view your project in different views. The first of these we'll talk about is the render view. We simply click on render and we'll see that our grid space, our extrusion lines, have now turned into gray squares. These represent the extrusions of your project. Now, a helpful hint that I'll throw out there is we'll see that our extrusion corner connectors that have not been configured do not look very clean cut or appropriate. They're just simply jumbled together. Now, if we click out of render and we configure this corner connection, we go back into render, we'll see the configuration of our extrusions. This is a very helpful view when you've finished your project and want to see how your extrusions are configured. Make sure you're column loaded, make sure that you've got your extrusions just the way you'd like them. The second view I'd like to talk about is the to scale button. If we would like to see a full-scale render of our extrusion, we simply hit the to scale button. And here again, we'll see that our extrusions have increased in size. Now, the render view will show you the same size extrusion regardless of if you're in 15 series or 10 series. By clicking the to scale, you'll see the entire width, length, and girth based on the center line of your extrusion. The next two entities that I want to talk about that you're able to toggle on and off are your dimensions and your grid points. Now, if you simply toggle your grid, you'll see that our grid disappears. Now, this is especially helpful when you want to see all your dimensions without having your grids in the way. Next, we'll turn the grids back on and I'll show you dimensions. The dimensions toolbox gives you multiple dimensions that you can view. Right now, we're looking at actual length of the extrusion. Now we're able to turn those off and view the center line length. Those are the lengths of your center line of your design. And finally, the outside dimensions of your project. And those are the toggle toolboxes. Again, these are just great tools to help you design in 80/20 Edge.